Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I am wearing this beautiful Bgmgirl hair Wear and Go Glueless Brown Highlight 4/27 straight 26-inch 4x6 HD lace wig. That was a mouthful. But you guys, this wig is absolutely amazing. The purpose of this wig is convenience. You're supposed to be able to just throw it on and literally leave your house, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that. So really quick, I'm just giving you guys an unboxing, showing you guys everything that Bgmgirl sent along with this beautiful luxurious wig. They definitely make sure to send you all the tools that you would need for a flawless install. Alright, so here is the wig. Once again, it is the Bgmgirl Wear and Go Glueless Brown Highlight 4/27 straight 26-inch 4x6 HD lace wig. So the purpose of this wig, once again, is convenience. That lace frontal comes pre-plucked, it also comes pre-cut, and it also has a Swiss lace. That way you can have a flawless melting experience, and that wig will look like your scalp. It's beginner friendly, takes about 3 seconds to literally throw on and go, so you do not need any additional skills. The hair is sewn onto a dome cap. Dome caps are normally a lot more comfortable on your head, a lot more breathable, and they are normally used as a protective style because it's not like snagging on your hair or anything like that. So dome cap wigs are usually a lot more comfortable than your regular wig cap. Alright, so now it's time for this install, which is going to take like 2.5 seconds. So all I did was just adjust the straps on that wig. I threw it on my head, and literally, you guys, that is it. This is a 100% glueless wig, so we are not using no glue and we are not using no spray. You know why? Because it is not needed. This is something that Bgmgirl specializes in. And also, you guys, this is their updated 4x6 lace frontal. You have a full frontal look. You can do a middle part, you can do a side part. However, you do not have to use any glue and you do not have to use any spray. So that is the benefit of a wig like this, especially if you are a beginner or if you just don't like to do the full spray install or glue install. You know, I'm like that as well. I'm very lazy when it comes to my wig install, so I normally do prefer glueless wigs, and Bgmgirl has plenty of them to choose from, including this beautiful highlighted one. So I'm pretty sure you guys can see that the lace pretty much melted with my skin like right away. However, the color is off just a little bit, so I'm just adding some of my foundation onto the lace just to blend it in with my natural skin color. So now that the wig is fit to my head, I'm just going over that lace one more time and just getting rid of like little pieces that I feel like we do not need. Just remember though that the lace does come pre-cut, so you probably would be able to skip this step. It really just depends on how the wig looks on your head, but as you guys can see, I didn't need to do much at all. Next, all I'm going to do is use my wax stick and my hot comb because we want the very top of this wig to look flat because we want it to be given scalp and we want it to look like it is my hair, right? Just so you guys know, this hair is so amazing. I did not have any excess shedding. I did not have any excess tangling. It is a straight texture, so it took to the hot comb and the flat iron very well. I did not have any issues as far as styling this hair as well. And also, if you decide you want to curl it, if you want to do a side part, you are free to do so. This hair can also be dyed and bleached as well. Okay, so you guys see how easy that was? Technically, the install is done. The install is completely done. So now I'm just going to take my flat iron and just go over this hair. And the one thing I want to point out to you guys is you realize I'm not taking this section by section, right? The reason why is because I did not have to. The hair straightened with no issues. Like, as you guys can see on camera, like, look at that. I did not need to take small sections at all to get it back straight after rewashing it. So that was definitely helpful. Again, this is a straight texture, so it should be able to take to the flat iron very well, which it did. So all I did was flat iron both sides, and then I added some makeup to my middle part, and after that, you guys, I was completely finished. Okay, so what are you guys thinking? On a scale of 1 to 10, let me know how you feel about this wig in the comment section down below. You guys know I love me some highlighter wigs, so I was immediately in love with this wig the second I got it. The highlights really complement my skin tone. That's one of the main reasons why I love highlighter wigs, and one of the main reasons why I love BGmGirl hair is because their wigs are 100% glueless. I do not need to use no glue, no spray, no melting spray, none of that. So this wig is completely helpful for girls like me who love glueless installs. For you beginners out there, this is the wig for you. So make sure you guys check out all the information at the very top of the description box. I will have everything listed right there for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and shout out to BGmGirl for being the GOAT of glueless wigs. I will see you guys next time.